I'll get it. Dee. What's that supposed to mean? Dee. Doggy, doggy, doggy. Back, doggy, back, doggy, back, doggy. Aww, you like the dog. Yeah. Is it the phone? Is it okay?
Oh, was that in front of it?
It was charging.
Huh?
It was charging.
Okay.
I left the other one on the counter because you didn't want it. Can I have the phone?
That's what he loved that one because he think it's doing something.
Hi.
Smile, yeah.
Hi.
He has a phone on this one.
He said bye. Last night when we were eating, he had called. You know how the phone doesn't work, and like you try to call someone, it did that, and then he was just listening to it, and his face was blank. He was just listening to it, and then at the end, and then he started talking to it. The dog. You want to talk to the dog? Beep. You're so soft. Yes. Say bye. Say bye. X. X, where are you going?